So this is the second consecutive day of organizing webinar on NCD. Yesterday also we observed on the World Hypertension Day a webinar related to hypertension, and today also more or less, the same this national webinar. So on behalf of AIIMS Bathinda, I, Dr. Bholanath, welcome all our eminent speakers and participants to today's national webinar on non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, population level strategies for prevention, which is jointly organized by AIIMS Bathinda and Institute of Liver and Biliary Science, New Delhi. At the outset, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Director, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Singh sir, and our Dean, Dr. Satish Gupta, for providing us their relentless support and guidance in organizing this webinar. Without their help, it was very difficult to organize the webinar, and it had not been possible with their support. I'd also like to thank Professor Shiv Sarin sir, along with the team of ILBS, and of course Dr. Umesh Kapil sir, for entrusting us with the responsibility of undertaking the issue of NAFLD in Punjab and nearby states. As Dr. Manya has been defined NAFLD initially, that NAFLD is actually nothing but abnormal accumulation of the fat in the liver in the absence of secondary causes of the fatty liver, such as harmful alcohol or infections such as viral hepatitis or medications. And it's a serious health concern, which is encompassing a spectrum of the liver disease, right from the fatty liver to that of the hepatocellular carcinoma. And it has been evident from the various research studies that the prevalence of NAFLD is gradually increasing, which is a serious health concern. Higher prevalence has been reported in those with the NCD risk factors, such as pre-existing, those who are having pre-existing diabetes or pre-diabetes or suffering from the obesity, or who are having some derangement of the blood cholesterol. So it has been found through the studies that people with NAFLD have a greater chance of developing cardiovascular disease, which is a sequelae of this NAFLD, and which constitute the most common cause of the death among the NAFLD as well. Unfortunately, as is true about the other NCDs, NAFLD is also not having any kind of cure. So we have to rely upon the activities such as health promotion or other kind of the preventive aspect, which definitely will be covered in subsequent lectures of the webinars. And looking at all these things, our Honorable Health Minister, Mr. Harsh Vardhan, launched the integration of the NAFLD component in the already existing NPCDCS program, that is National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, CVD, and stroke. So this webinar has been planned with the objective of creating awareness regarding the NAFLD, because I feel that most of the participants of the webinar are unaware of the NAFLD. Then understanding how NAFLD is associated with the other NCDs, or what are the sequelae if we are not going to take care of the NAFLD patients. Then discussing and developing the key strategies and operational aspect in integration of the NAFLD with the NPCDCS. The role of various stakeholders, including medical college, will also be discussed during the webinar, and this is also one of the objectives of the webinar. And why medical colleges could play a major role, that will also be shared by one of our speakers. With this background, I would like to invite Dr. Manya once again to come onto the platform to further proceed the webinar. Once again, I would like to thank all the eminent speakers and participants who have joined this webinar. Thank you.